So it is, ooh, that is right. It is the next day of my trip to KL. I stayed in my hotel until 12 o'clock in the afternoon. So right now I'm out. But good thing is food is out, so I can like see all the food, like what's going on with the food system. I like food. So, that being said, in essence of exploring the city that I haven't been in for a very long time, I have no idea where I am. I gotta go this way, go down there. Where if I go this way? What's the difference? Really no difference, huh? All right, let's go this way. So, exploring. I'm meeting someone that I haven't met before. It's a friend of a friend. It's his first time in KL. It's my first time in 15 years in KL. So we're gonna like travel and explore together. I'm staying close to the Twin Tower, so I want to walk to the Twin Tower. It says it's like 20 minutes. I mean, it's fine. I can walk 20 minutes to the Twin Tower. That's not a problem. I just gotta not get lost. And hopefully I can get there safely. Malaysia has street walk, so it's a lot better walking than compared to Indonesia. So I'm really happy about that. So safety first. God, this sun is like everywhere, isn't it? I found this pedestrian bridge thing that I'm assuming goes all the way to KLCC, which is the Twin Tower. I think. I'm just literally following the signs and it says KLCC, so just trust the bridge. Let's go. It's right there. Alright, I'm not 100% sure which path I should take to the Twin Tower, but I know that this part connects to the Twin Tower. So I'm not too worried. I'll get there eventually, but I'm here. Yo, it's hard to think that I was here like 15 years ago when I was a kid, when I was just a tiny baby. And I have no memory of it at all. Like, Malaysia has changed so much. It's in this weird modern and like traditional kind of line where you see all this building, like very beautiful high rises and almost looks like a developed country, but it hasn't yet. Like if you go down like stalls, I mean, I guess that's still a, you know, I mean, I don't know. It's just just a lot of memories are coming back and a lot of like feelings are coming back. I just gotta get to the tower. Did I just go around for nothing? Because I gotta go back. This is where I gotta go back. Because that's the tower's right there. I guess I'm going back. I met up with my friend Takumi. We wanted to actually go up there to the bridge and hopefully all the way up there, but it was sold out. The ticket was sold out, so we're trying to go to the KL Tower and see if they have tickets to go up. I remember it was a restaurant though up there, so we'll see. right now at the top of the KL Tower. That's the city right there. My hotel is like right around here. It's not that I don't know. I think we should have come at night. It's more lights and more beautiful. But this is actually cool. Like you can literally see the whole of KL. All the way down there. I have no idea what's down there though. This is cool. So cool. Alright, we're here at Chinatown right now. Dude, there's a lot of stuff here. Ooh. No more night. There's a lot of stuff here. Probably won't buy anything, but doesn't hurt to see. We got a lot of brand. I don't know if they're like counterfeit or if they're really real. I mean, it's probably counterfeit, but they look pretty deceiving. Like, they look real. To be honest, no one's gonna know. Unless, you know, they check a tag or anything. I don't know. But then, God, look at all this stuff. We had just had a big meal, and then we went to McDonald's just to get the porridge, just because 15 years ago that porridge was the bomb, and I just wanted to try it again. Not the same. I don't know what happened to my memory, but I thought it was nicer, and I mean it was alright. It's just I prefer more salty kind of stuff. It was quite bland, to be honest, but it was alright. It was very like for 50 like. It's fine. For McDonald's, that was the bomb. That was really nice. That being said, right now we're at the mosque. Right there. The prayer just finished. This is one of the most beautiful mosques that I've ever seen. I don't remember it being here. I don't even think I've been here before. I mean, look, they even have this LED mist thing going on. So, wow, such a perfect ending to this vlog. So I'm gonna end this vlog. Takumi is right there. He's probably tired. I am tired. After this, I'm probably going back to my hotel and just sleep. I got one more day tomorrow, and then my flight is at midnight. So yeah, I'm staying here one more night, explore tomorrow, and yeah. Tomorrow I'm going to my school. I want to try to go back to my school. Oh, the last school that I was in before I moved to England. I'm actually excited about that. It's quite far. I'm going to wake up early in the morning, go to school. Well, not school, but going back to that school once everyone's in. So I'll probably go around like 10 or 11 and then check it out. Shit, yeah. That's going to be on the next vlog. I'm going to do more like travel vlogs in Southeast Asia. So if you're interested, subscribe. And I'll deliver. Alright, have a good night. That was like some peaceful stuff, so that's a perfect ending. See ya.